our objective says we will be able to explore what kind of equations? Olabakola? By discovering the connection between what and what? What type of equations are we going to connect? Maliha?
Addition and subtraction.
Good job. So that we can begin to become better. Ooh, big word. David?
Mathematician.
Mathematicians. What is a mathematician again? Someone who does what? Someone who likes to read? No. Someone who does what, Noah?
Who's really smart at math.
Who really is really good at math. So we're going to become really, really great at math by making this connection between adding and subtracting while we're listening for our missing parts equations. All right, our example over here says, Jane had 11 coins. How many coins?
11.
Right, visualize, picture that. She has 11 coins in her hands. She spent 3 coins. How many coins did she spend?
3.
Oh, I see some friends showing. What does that mean? If she has 11 coins in her hands, watch up here. She has 11 coins in her hands. She spent 3. Does that mean she's getting more or less? Show me just with your quiet fingers. Oh, I see a lot of friends agreeing that she's getting less. She's giving coins away or spending them. How many coins does she have now? Who can first tell us the what am I finding part? Raise your hand and tell me, what am I finding? Jane's what? Martins?
How many games we had?
How many what? Coins. Good job. Blank coins. We're finding the coins. Create a model. So let's see. We have 11 coins. And then she spent 3 coins. So now, how many coins does she have? What is the biggest number here? Am I going to have a bigger number, or is my biggest number already in the equation? Raise your hand and let me know. Dua? 11. I agree. The biggest number is 11. That's my total. It's not going to get bigger than 11. I'm subtracting like we discussed, so I know that my number is not going to be bigger than 11. What is one of my parts that I can put my part total at? I know one of them. Olabakola? 3. Good job. Oh, I see some friends showing green hands. 3 coins. So we're finding a missing part. What equation can I write? Someone who's watching eyes are up here. Lots of friends are participating. Great job. Dua, what equation could I write? Let's see, I have 11. I'm taking away 3. That would make sense. What's another equation I could do? You can do it as a missing part. We said there was a connection between adding and subtracting. They are like brothers and sisters. They can go one next to each other. How can you make it an adding problem with a missing part in the middle? Jewel?
11. No.
Ooh, okay. What would you like to change it to?
3.
3? 3 what?
Plus the length equals 11.
Oh, I love the way some of my friends are agreeing. They're really listening to what their friends are saying. Thank you for friends making respectful choices. 3 plus blank equals 11. I agree. Now, let's solve it. I like how Jewel fixed her mistake. At first she said 11 plus, but then she realized what? If you add a number to 11, the total is going to be what? Sidra, what? More. So we can't have a number more than 11. We already know our total as 11. Okay, so how can I show my work? I can show 11 minus 3 over here, and 3 plus blank equals 11 over here. Raise your hand and tell me, how would you show work for 11 minus 3? Ooh, some friends are doing great at making these connections. Khadijah? How many circles do I need to draw? 11 math circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then what do I do? Add more?
No.
No, I'm subtracting. Good job paying attention to the symbol. What do I need to do now? Ziad?
Take away 3.
Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see how many I think are left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So we think it might be 8. Let's double check with the counting on problem. What can I do if I'm counting on? Some friends remember how to count on from our practice. Tyler, how can I count on? Oh, what am I bringing? 11 in my brain? 3, because if I start with 11, like Jules said, oops, we can't count on from that. That would make it bigger. So I agree to put 3 in your brain. Put 3 in your brain. 3. Stop at what number? 11. 3. Go ahead, Tyler. 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Let's count Martins. How many circles do I have? I want Martins to count for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Daisha, double check him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is this the same as this one?
Yes.
Wow, look at that. So those equations are like brothers and sisters. You can either use it as subtraction or you can do it as missing part. Either way, it makes that same connection. So where should I fill it in? Point to the first area. 8 coins. Point to the second area. Missing part of 8. Point to the third area. In the equation, and actually I even have a 4th this time because we made a missing part. Good job. Give yourselves a power whoosh. Whoosh. Good job. All right, I want you to practice at your seat. I'm going to give you a problem very similar to this. Some of your problems might look a little different, so you need to pay attention as to what numbers are in your problem. I'm going to read it to you without the numbers, so you can start imagining it. Are you ready to imagine? Kyle had blank pennies in his piggy bank. Okay, so he has some pennies. It says a number, but I'm not going to tell you the number. I want you to just imagine him with some pennies. He bought a sticker for blank pennies. Does that mean he's gaining more money or is he losing money? Losing. So I already know a number is going to be smaller. Oh, so I already know my largest number. Okay. Then it says how many pennies does he have left? Okay. Thumbs up if you think I can do it. Double thumbs up if you think you can do it in both ways, subtraction and missing part. I want to see if you're up for the challenge. With your math journal that's at your seat, I want you to glue it in, get started right away. Some friends, as you're working, I'm going to come around and take pictures of some of your work. I'm also going to call up friends at the very end to show some of their work at the end. Okay? All right, if you are at the yellow table, come on back.